Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 8 of our JavaScript playlist. In previous video, we have seen what are the operators are there in JavaScript. So these are the operators. Now we will implement these operator while writing the code. Okay, one by one we will explore each operator. Okay, so first I will discuss about. First we will write code of assignment operator. Okay, this is a very simple operators. Okay, let me open VS Code. Let me delete this. Okay, so here I will write. Here I will write. Let's say let okay let let demo equals to 10. Okay, so let's understand what is this demo, what is this 10, what is this equals to. So let me tell you. Okay, so here let is a keyword. Okay, keyword. Yes, let is what? A keyword, right? And then demo is a variable, right? And this symbol is a assignment operator. Okay, this is what assignment operator. I'm talking about this symbol only. Okay, and then this 10. If 10 is what? Is data. 10 is what? This is what? Data. Okay, 10 is what? Data, not data type. The 10 is data. Okay, understood? So let is what? A keyword. Demo is a variable name. And this equals to is assignment operator. 10 is data. So if you want to assign data in this variable, so definitely you will use what operator? Assignment operator. That's it. So this is the role of assignment operator. So if you will print console.log and if you say demo, so what it will display? It will display you 10. Let me refresh it. So what is it is displaying? 10 it is displaying, right? All right. So this is how we can use assignment operator. Then, for example, like so we will discuss about arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators? Like multiplication, plus, division, and modulus. So these are what? These are what? Arithmetic operators. Okay, minus also. Okay, so we will write code based on this. Suppose I have two numbers. Let num1 equals to 10. So this one is what? Assignment operator, right? And let num2 equals to 20, right? So now I will use this multiplication operator. So I will say let num3 equals to num1 multiplication num. All right. Okay. So let's try to understand this. So what is happening? Num1, which is this variable which contain 10. Num2 is this variable which contain 20. So we are going to multiply these two numbers data and it will store in this num3. Okay. So when we print num3, so it will give the product. It will give the multiplication of this numbers of these two numbers. Okay. So I will write console.log and I will say num3. Okay. So num3 will present multiplication. Okay. Let me refresh it. So what is the multiplication? 200. But it is not looking nice. So what I will say, I will display message. Okay, first I will display message. Multiplication is multiplication is this. Okay, then I'll say plus. Okay, plus is a concatenation here. It is a style to print variable data and message. Right. Now let me open browser. Let me refresh it. So multiplication is 200. It is coming like this. Okay, so this is what is the mean of operand and operator. Okay, so here num1 and num2, these are two operand. Num1 and num2 are operand and this multiplication symbol is operator. So this arithmetic operators required two operand. So this is num1 and num2. It cannot work on single operand. Suppose if I delete one operand, so it will not work, error will come because this is the arithmetic operator. It's need another operand. So it operate on two operand. These are what? Arithmetic operators. Okay. For example, if I say addition, so simply I'll say plus and here I will change. I'll say addition is okay, like this. num3 will print addition. What's the addition? 30. So let's check whether it's printing or not. Okay, addition is 30 is coming. Okay. Suppose I want to print what? Division. So I will say num1 divide by num2. Okay, so it will print division. Let me write here division. Okay, division is num3. Let me refresh it. Okay, so division is 0.5. It is coming, right? Now let me use modulus operator. So modulus operator means it will give a remainder. Okay, suppose here is 10, here is 2. So what would be the remainder? Remainder would be 0. So what it will display? Okay, modulus is number 3. So what it will display? 0, because 2 is complete. 2 can completely divide 10. Means 2 5s are 10. What is the remainder? 0. So that's why it will print 0. Okay, so if I divide this 10 number by 3, so now what it will display? Now this will display 1, because 3 cannot completely divide 10. So that's why the remainder is 1. So let me refresh this. So remainder is, sorry, modulus is 1. Modulus operator given the remainder, right? And then this minus operator, everyone knows what's the use of minus operator. Okay, so what would be the result? 7. Subtract. Okay. So what's the result? Subtraction is 7, right? Like this, we can use this arithmetic operators. All right. For example, if I give you task like, okay, I'm giving a program to create, write a program to check even or odd number. So how you will create this program and which operator you will use in order to check this. So definitely you are going to use this operator, modulus operator, in order to create this program. So I'll say let num1, okay, let's number is equals to 12. Okay, now I have to check whether this number is even or odd. So how can I check? Like, as in your brain, how you will check? You will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. It is completely divisible by 2 or not. So it is completely divisible by 2. So means it is even number. So how we will write program for this? So simply I will say if this number, okay, modulus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so we will discuss this equals to as well. So basically this is for comparison. Means if it is completely divided by 2, it will become 0, because what would be the remainder? Remainder will become 0. So 0 equals to 0 is true. So if this condition is true, so what we will say? We will say console dot log. We will say simply even, right? If this condition is false, then we will say console dot log, which is odd, right? So let's check what it is printing. It is printing even, because our 12 is even number. Let's say, let me change the number here, 15. Okay, so let me refresh it. So what is the number type? Odd. So this is how we can create even odd program using this modulus operators. All right. So this is how we can check these operators. All right. In the next video, we will discuss about the shorthand operators. All right. So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Right. Thank you for giving your valuable time. All right. Keep practice. Okay. Without practice, you will not get perfection. So please practice as much as you can. Right. So that you can start with new frameworks and libraries. Start learning new frameworks and libraries. All right. So practice is important. So thank you everyone for watching this video.